Transformer architectures are extremely memory intensive. The core reason is the self-attention mechanism. In a standard transformer, we first compute query, key, and value vectors for every token. The main bottleneck appears when we compute the attention matrix or QKT. As modern models push toward longer context lengths, this quadratic scaling quickly becomes infeasible. Now, an important observation is that attention applies a softmax over the dot products. Softmax strongly emphasizes large similarity scores, meaning only tokens whose query and key embeddings are close in the representation space meaningfully contribute to attention. Most token pairs contribute almost nothing. This insight motivates a key idea. Instead of computing attention between all query and key pairs, why not only compute attention among similar queries and keys? This is exactly what Reformer proposes. The core idea behind Reformer is hashing attention using locality sensitive hashing or LSH. The goal is to group similar query and key vectors into the same bins, so attention is computed only within each bin, reducing complexity from quadratic to near linear. How are these bins constructed? The model uses angular locality sensitive hashing. Conceptually, embeddings are projected onto a unit hypersphere as given here, then randomly rotated. After rotation, vectors are assigned to bins based on their angular position. The crucial property is that vectors that are close in embedding space have a high probability of landing in the same bin regardless of the rotation. Because hashing is probabilistic, there is a chance that two similar vectors fall into different bins. To mitigate this, Reformer uses multiple random rotations known as multi-round hashing attention, like this. This increases the probability that similar tokens collide in at least one round. Another important simplification the authors observe is that query and key projections do not need to be different. Sharing Q and K projections does not significantly degrade performance, and it makes it much easier to ensure that each bin contains the same number of queries and keys. This balance is important for efficient computation and parallelization.